Hi guys, today I got this Jeep Grand Cherokee. This is 2005 model, but if you have 2003, 4, 5, if you have the same body here and you have the same setup over here, your AC doesn't work. Okay, I'm gonna show you a relay and AC fuse for the AC compressor and a relay for the AC compressor. So there's two things you want to check before you go crazy, before you replace that AC compressor. That thing is almost like a $700 or $800 job. All right, so make sure you have Freon in the system, and make sure everything is in working order. And if you determine that you're not getting no power to the AC compressor, before anything, what you want to do is you want to check on this relay right here. Okay, let me put my light away a little bit. It says AC clutch 36. That's the number 36 right there. So right here, this relay right here is for the AC compressor. So if this relay is bad, sometimes it'll click, but it won't send no power, and your AC will not work. So you do want to check your, always, even if you are about to replace it, check your AC compressor relay. Even if you change the AC compressor, just do yourself a favor, replace a relay anyway, because you don't want any trouble. This is like a $11 to $17 piece. Okay, another thing you want to check is the AC fuse. We're gonna go this together. Okay, AC clutch, okay, 15 amp right there. So what we're doing is you're looking at in this little panel right here. So you have a second or 20 amp missing fuse, and not missing, unused slot, and an AC compressor, AC clutch, 15 amp. Okay, so you have a 20 amp and you have another 20 amp. You have an unused slot, and right next to it, right below that, this blue fuse right here is a 15 amp for the AC compressor, AC clutch, the magnet clutch. So this and this work together, which works with the AC compressor. So if either one is blown, your AC compressor is not gonna work. Another thing I want you to do is make sure you check your Freon. If you haven't serviced your Freon, service it. You could check by pushing on the port right there. That's the low side. If you push the valve inside and there's no pressure, obviously your AC is not gonna kick in. Your compressor is not gonna kick in. You're gonna have no power. There's no function for none of this stuff unless you have pressure in the system. Okay. And thank you for watching my video. I hope this really helps you guys. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and like. And we'll see you on the next one. If you guys have any issue and if you need any help about this AC system, just send me a message.